Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new episode of the Gale Podcast, Season 3, Episode number 3. Happy New Year, guys. Mambo vipi wakurugenzi na wadau des. Mko salama? I hope you guys are good. Today I'm having the one and only
Alex Masinde.
Yeah.
Financial consultant,
Yeah. Alex Masinde is here and is a financial consultant from here, Nairobi, Kenya. I hope you guys will enjoy this episode. We're going to talk about insurance investment. I'll see you. So I hope you guys are prepared for this new year, new episode. So see you when we start. So yeah, welcome guys, welcome to this new episode. I'll see you. Let's go. So Alex,
yes,
welcome.
Santi.
So who is Alex Masinde? To someone who's watching this episode for the very first time, tueleze wewe ni nani and what you do.
Okay. Alex Masinde is just a young man here who is trying to do a lot here in Kenya, especially from the city of Nairobi, trying to at least make sure the society has the information of investments and to assist them even to take them and also to improve the society.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, when I knew of you as an insurance sales guy.
Yes.
So how's the field of insurance in Kenya right now? How is the field so far?
The field?
Yeah, the insurance field in Kenya right now. How is it?
It's a bit large. As per se, it's a bit large. You can say so.
Is it growing? Are people
growing.
Considering more of insurance? You know, a long time ago here in Kenya, someone wouldn't insure something like health or life. How is it so far? Are people getting to it more?
Yeah, people are getting to it more because as we go on and people get to discover more of what they did not know about insurance and all that, the covers, so they get to learn more and then thus they come in. Because they know if they take for example, a medical cover, it will assist them to pay for the bills if they are sick. So before, we never had the technology to assist us, and we were not able to reach a certain number of people because of the limitations and ABCD. Even the people at the rural areas were like, hey, we can't take this thing. They believe in their own terms and religion. You get
Actually, when you talk of something like life insurance,
yes.
From some different places of this country, African, and some people
yes.
will say even thinking about dying is a taboo. So I think those people wouldn't think of investing in life insurance. Yeah. So how did you end up in the field of insurance as a financial consultant?
As I was doing my studies, actually, I used to have a friend who used to work in an insurance firm. Then I used to admire this guy. Like, he used to talk to a lot of clients. Sometimes he could invite me, then tell me these are my clients. They were high-end people, and I was like, even if my profession doesn't go along with that, I would also like to be like the one assisting people because he used to assist people. I could see paying people checks to clients for education, and I wanted to do something that I will help the community also. If I help you today, I know you'll remember me for lifetime. So I wanted to also to assist people in the society so that at least if I'm somewhere, someone can mention that person assisted me somewhere, and today I can be able to pay the education of my kids because I learned it from that guy. Such things. So those are the things that actually encouraged me to be where I am today.
Okay. So what you're trying to say is insurance gives someone the chance to invest in the future.
Yes. Yes.
So what's the number one insurance cover that is being sold in Kenya right now?
Education cover. Yes.
Has it surpassed motor insurance?
Yeah, it surpasses a lot. But, it can't really surpass as per se because motor insurance it's like how do you put it? It's a must. It's a necessity. But an education cover, people have to take it because you never know the future tomorrow. You never know if you will wake up tomorrow. So people are taking it more, but because now the motor insurance is a necessity, they have to take it either you like it or not.
So if motor insurance was maybe
if it was an option, then actually I don't think many people will be having it, unless a person actually has the knowledge and knows the importance of having that cover, then they'll have it.
Okay. Talking of motor insurance, there are two, comprehensive and third party.
Yes.
You ask someone who owns a car, what is the difference? They'll tell you that third party is cheaper, comprehensive is expensive. As an insurance sales guy, to someone who's watching and doesn't know the difference, how can you tell that person that the difference between comprehensive and third party is this and that?
Okay. The difference between third party and comprehensive. Comprehensive, actually, it's a cover that covers even the vehicle. Actually covers the fully of the vehicle. So if an accident occurred and you don't have the money to buy another vehicle or anything else, and you have taken that cover, you know, the insurance company will be able to either fix for you the cover, the car for that amount of money that you paid for. So you'll actually you not need to chip in your pocket to go for an extra coin to pay for that car again for repair or anything, or they will buy for you a new car, of which, if it's written off. Yeah, but for that party, actually it covers if it has knocked somebody else down or ABCD. But for the car and the owner, there is nothing we can be able to pay for them.
So you can say that party covers legal issues. There is a problem, if for example you hit someone with a car, they'll pay that person and cover the legal matters.
Yes. But not even the owner of the car or the car itself. So you'll find out that if you have knocked your car,
they should introduce now to third party. And on a light note, why don't when you're insuring you're insuring a car, why is it that you don't insure for the driver?
Because it's an option. It has been placed in as an option, so that these people can be able to take it. But if you value your driver, you can always insure for them. It's called excess, so you can add an excess on it. So an excess covers for the driver too.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's around 5,000 if you are taking up a comprehensive. You pay an extra coin of 5,000 for that driver,
so that when that car gets an accident, even the driver can be reimbursed something. And also covered. Okay. Now as a sales guy, kwanza I've done a very huge mistake. Hujatuambia which company do you work for? And you've really dived into
no, it's this okay, because being a sales guy or a financial consultant, we get into the field out there, and you hear people don't want to be mentioned. Some other companies, maybe because of ABCD, what they have done, someone will not want to be associated with as such. And when you're assisting someone, first of all, you don't look at the company. You're looking at to assist you, not the company. The company is there to assist me now to assist you. So making the process easier.
Okay.
Because it takes the risk now, from you, because you have to lay the risk to the company, and I'm in between now assisting you to make sure that risk is taken care of.
I understand.
And now coming to that, I work with ICL Lion Insurance Company in investments and a life. Yeah. Okay.
Talking of life insurance, have you ever insured someone life insurance, or that case that you really helped someone get insurance, life insurance, and then that person passed, and then the family started benefiting from the investment that person had made? Have you ever gotten such a case?
I've gotten one. Yeah, there was a point I invested a stranger. I don't think even we got to know each other so much, because he was a referral to me. So the time I insured the guy, it took around 3 months. Then the guy got to an accident. He was one of the NCBA bank consultants guys. Yeah, the bank accountants, those guys. So that time he got into an accident, and God forbid, he left us, and we got to pay them. The family were shocked because they were not even aware of what the guy had done. It was something which was encouraging even to the family, to make them, at least to uplift them. Even in times of mchango, they never did those things like mchango, because they had the money ready for them.
Had it matured 3 months?
Actually, when you take an investment, with us, at the time of death, it matures.
Oh, it matures.
Yeah, because you have left us with actually in time whereby you never prepared for anything. The cover matures in 2 ways: in either death or when the maturity date arrives. So if it's an education cover, if something like that happens to you, we will wait because we want to pay for the education cover of your kid at that particular time or period. But if it's an investment and you have left us, we give you at that time because you need it more at that time to facilitate your staff, maybe your family, and your good send-off. Yeah, so we have at least to make sure everything is in order for the family to receive that. Or if you have left the family, your children, to keep them with that lifestyle that you have been providing for them
while you are alive.
Yeah, so that it can be on the same standard before they catch up with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, on that, you are now proving that in life insurance there's no that pull and pull that people receive when they are having motor vehicle insurance.
Yeah.
Now,
actually, coming to talk about that, many people don't understand the difference between life insurance and general insurance. So when you go in the field, when you're introducing yourself like you work from an insurance company, somebody will not want to talk to you, thinking that maybe you are from general, and maybe they had an issue with the car and they were never paid, of which it's a little bit complicated. It could be fraud, it could be such stuff, so on that we cannot even go into. So I would like people, if you understand the difference of life insurance and general, you are able to pick up a point whereby now you can say, this guy wants maybe to talk about investment. It will be good for me.
So I think that has been a good segment hapo umetuexplainia vizuri sana about insurance and what you do. So as we finish up, what are the importance of one taking life investment insurance and education insurance? What you majorly deal with?
Okay. The importance of one taking an education cover or generally in life investments, it's like it pays for in case of death. You can be able to pay for to pay what the sum assured. There is something called sum assured we can be able to pay to your family in case of death. And in maturity, we can give you the maturity value of which has interest of what you've been investing in. And when we pay in death, it does not matter how much you've invested. If the sum assured was 700,000 and you've only invested in 20,000, and God forbid God has taken you, we pay that 700,000, not 20,000 what you've invested in. That's the good part about it, yeah. And in education, if something happens to you, your family will not continue paying for your premium monthly to our company. We will take over like the second parent to the child. So when it comes to maturity, we are able to give your guardian their money or pay direct to the school whereby your child will be going into, so that you can facilitate them in education as you had planned as a parent.
Okay.
And we know that it's very difficult for one to come up with such amount of money at a certain time. So if you don't actually start investing now, it will be a big burden for you to just come up with a certain amount of money to pay for the school fees. So we ease that burden for you, such that you are able to pay a little, like from 2,000 to 3,000 there monthly, which is not hard. If I ask you today how much you spend per day, you will tell me maybe around 5,000. Yeah, and you being a guy, maybe you drink, I don't know.
No. I don't understand French. That was a little bit French. I don't understand French.
but I know if you have a car, that's
the expenses continue going up and up.
So you'll find yourself paying a lot. So you can manage paying 3,000 to 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, depending on your own personal financial planning.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, as we finish up, I've known you also as Alex Villa Households. Yeah. Now, talking of Villa Households, what is it about? What do you do at Villa Households? Yeah.
First of all, I'm Alex. I'm not Alex Villa Households.
Yeah.
Villa Households is a company, and it's also a shop, an online shop that makes people get items of what they're looking for. You know, there are long goes those times whereby you have to come out of your house to go to the supermarket to look for a certain product that you really need. And we provide that platform for you. Like, we have everything ready for you. So at Villa Households Kenya, all the products are online, and we have good ambassadors who are also looking into what we are doing. So if there is something wrong, they can always say. If it's good, they will always say. Like right now, so far so good. We have one of the major ambassadors like Pascal Tokoti and his wife Grace Kirapa, and their family and friends.
Okay.
And we value that a lot. So here we make sure like we are providing solutions. People don't want to queue in the supermarkets. They don't want to go, you know, there are those risks, like if you're sending your child to the supermarket and across there is a car, you know, it could knock them down.
Yeah.
So we want to ease that burden, whereby we have the riders. We deliver door to door. If you're in Kisumu, we send you. So you can just pay, then pick it. It's just as easy as that. Then we make sure we provide what you need exactly as it is, as we have displayed in our plans actually on the website or page on Instagram.
Nice, that's great. Whether you should get one of your ambassadors to come for your podcast, yeah.
Yeah, we can talk to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And see if they'll make time. I'll see you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you. That has been Alex Masinde, and a financial consultant, and also Villa Households.
An entrepreneur.
Yeah.
We are doing entrepreneurship.
So as we finish up, maybe if you can give our viewers your contacts if someone needs something based on insurance or any other item from Villa Households.
Yeah, thank you so much. So you can highlight, I don't know, you can highlight that number down there.
Yeah, you just say it, then I'll also put it down
because if I say my number, it could be different from Villa Households. From Villa Households, people can get the number from the page. Okay. Because I'm not directly there. I'm there just to supervise, like everything is going well. It has people that manages it. Yeah.
And for the
investments, if someone wants to get an investment, wants to get a consultant to talk to them, maybe to give them the best cover, they can reach out to them. To me, to me, so that I can be able to guide them on the way forward. So my number is 0746 86 61 67.
Okay.
Yes.
So thank you very much Alex for coming through.
Thank you so much guys too.
Yeah. So wakurugenzi, si mnaona tumewakimbiza leo na Kiingereza tupu. Poleni sana. Next week tuko na another episode itakuwa ina come through. So you know, this year we are going tunaendelea, and if you haven't subscribed, mazee, ni wewe tunangoja. Tulikuwa tunaenda mbele, ni wewe tu tunangoja. So please hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment down below tuambie unaona what tunaweza fanya nini better to make you continue watching this content. Thank you, and thank you very much. See you next week.
Thank you. See you.